infuser. Some of my students call me Mrs. B. And this is my puppy Bailey. Bailey is going to join us for a little bit in our school time today. Hey Bailey, can you give me your paw and shake? Here we go, good girl. Oh, whoops. Here, turn around, say hi to everybody. So this is Bailey. Here, she's going to take one more treat and probably leave us, but you and I can stick around and have some fun learning today. All right, bye Bailey. Well, we're going to start by learning with magnets. What's a magnet? Do you have any magnets at home? Maybe you have magnets that look like this. Maybe you have refrigerator magnets. Something that's big like this, or small like this. Well, we're going to see what magnets do. Magnets have an invisible magnetic force around them. When they're together at the right direction, they attract each other and they want to stick together. In the opposite direction, why, they can even make each other move. It's like a magic trick. Watch this. If I push this too far, my red magnet will actually fall off the desk. Have you ever done something like this? Made magnets move something else magnetic? Let's see what happens with these Christmas decorations. They're going up the jar. Well, let's see. What do magnets move? Well, everything in here is shiny. Looks like it's made of metal. So I went around my house and I collected shiny metal things to see if they were magnetic. So here's what we're going to do. This wood tray, is it magnetic? No, my magnet's not sticking to it. If something from this bin is not magnetic, we'll put it in the wood tray. If it is magnetic, well look, my magnets are sticking to my cookie sheet. This is magnetic, you hear it? So we will sort some things, and you can do the same thing. Again, if you don't have a magnet like this, use a refrigerator magnet, or maybe you have an alphabet magnet. We'll see those later. Let's see, here are some shiny tongs. They look like they're made of metal. Yes, it's magnetic. So where will we put it? On the cookie sheet. How about some aluminum foil? That's shiny and looks like it's made of metal. It's not magnetic. It goes in the tray. A mason jar lid. Whoa, that is magnetic. You can have lots of fun finding things at home. Whew, I went to my pantry. I'll be right back. And I found a tuna fish can. It is magnetic. You can feel the pull if you have a magnet. Again, if you don't have this, just take a refrigerator magnet. Does it stick to the can even when it turns upside down? Absolutely. The metal in here is magnetic. And another fun thing you can do with your magnet is make long chains. Maybe you have a toy that's magnets. Have you ever seen how long you can make your chain? If you don't have a magnetic toy, maybe you can find something else like paper clips. So I have a little bin of paper clips. I'm going to put my magnet in here. Oh, it took a whole bunch of them out. Oops. And then you can even play and see how long you can make the chain. I'm not having much luck here, but you can try and see how long your chain gets. Well, the paper clips are definitely magnetic. Another thing you can do with magnets, with the force, the invisible magnetic field that's around them, is by rolling something. So, this is called a tea infuser. You can put dry tea in it, and you can see it goes and it sticks to the magnetic wand. Now watch this. I move this in here and make some room so you can see. I can take my tea infuser, and let's just use the little magnet. Let's see if we can get it to move. Is the little magnet doing anything? The little magnet's not quite strong enough. Let's try the medium-sized magnet. How about this? Is it getting it to move? Oh, so this is the thing with science tricks. Sometimes they work, experiments, and sometimes they don't. Let's try the stronger magnet. Whoa! Let's try to get it to move another way. You can get it to pull to you. Or even roll around. Oh, do you see that? Exploring with magnets is fun. I even have some magnetic letters. You may not have magnetic letters, but maybe you have something else you might have fun digging out of some Easter grass. It's fun to play around and squish and hide things in there. Let's start with our numbers. We start with 1. And I know that you know the next number is 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Where is 4? Next I have to go digging and looking for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you. 6. And then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 10. 10 is made by combining the numerals 1 and 0. Okay, now what does that mean? Well, we're going to use these blocks to help us see how one number is bigger than another. 1 is 1 block. Maybe you have Legos you can use at home. 1, 2. 2 blocks. We put them together and we see that 2 is bigger than 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 blocks. We put them together. 3 is a larger number than 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks. You can have fun at home stacking anything if you don't have Legos or linking blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks for our number 5. By doing this, we can see how each number is a little bit larger than the one right before it. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll squish them all together there. There we go. Now we need 7. Our numbers are getting larger. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. Each one is a little bit larger than the one before it. Next comes 8. See how 7 is 1 more than 6? 8 will be 1 more than 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll put it back in each one back in its section. 9 will be 1 more than 8. Let's see. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And finally, our largest one today is 10. And 10 is 1 larger than 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And those are our numbers. Well, that's fun and that's colorful. Now it's time to play with our numbers. I I'm going to move this to the side and pull out my big dice. Now this is a game that you can also play at home. Maybe you don't have a big inflatable one, but probably somewhere in your house is a game die, and you can play with that one. This one's just easier to see. So we're gonna take it and spin it and roll it. Oh, just one. Let's jump one time. Jump, one. We'll spin it again. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can jump 5 times. Do that with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about we march this time 4 times? 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do this a couple of more times. Whoa, that's our big one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you swim with me 6 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, last time. What will we get? 1, 2, 3. Let's clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Well, you did a great job. Thanks for playing along. I have just a couple of more games to play with you. We're going to sing a song now. Now, most of you know your alphabet song, so we'll just sing it the way you know it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Well, there's another song that we can sing with this, and it comes from a program that I really like called Sing, Spell, Read, and Write. And you can look for this online, and you can even, your parents can even order a book for you to work in. This is a way I can print this song on here, and you can find this online also. Now, every letter makes a sound. You may know some of them. And this song that we'll sing will help you learn the basic sound each letter makes. It goes like this. When you learn these sounds, you'll see. Ready to read, then we will be. Apple, ball. Cat, and doll. Egg, and fan. Goat, and hand. Inchworm, jam. Kite, and lamb. Monkey, noodles. Octopus, poodle. Quilt, and rail. Sun, and tail. Umbrella, vase. I'm nearly through, see my happy face. Wagon, fox. Yarn, say, do you see a fox? See him in the zoo. It was fun, and now we're through. When we learn these sounds, you'll see. Ready to read, then we will be. Well, you did a great job singing along, or listening at least this first time. What are we talking about? Well, each sound, each letter has its own sound, and some letters make more than one sound. So how can we practice these? Well, here's a fun game. Now this one I have already made up. I have a collection of words, of items I found around my house and collected over the years. This is the A for apple, like an A sound. Let's see what I have in my special A bucket. Let's see. pretend one, apple. I also have, on a map, the continent of Africa. Africa. And then here we have an alligator. He's a tiny one. And then here is an arrow. And in my little bag here, I have a collection of little plastic animals. Those are my sounds. This bucket has sounds, like ball. Let's see what's in my bucket. Bucket. Bucket starts with B. We have, a little book. Actually, a little book of different types of bugs. So that will go over here. This is a bow. Everything in here has to start with the sound. A little bottle. Definitely a pretend banana. And a button. How about a bone? This was in a chicken. And a little tiny ball. Oh, isn't he cute? A little tiny bear. And an even tinier baby. And finally, a basketball. Fun. Now, if these are all mixed up in here, let's play and sort them. Let's see, if I come here, this was the apple, apple. Here's my A that says A. The apple goes in the A one. Bone goes in the B box. How about the bow? It's also in the B box. The animals in the A one. How about the bottle? B. Alligator? A. Banana? B. Book of bugs in the B. Baby? B. Ball? B again. Africa. Basketball. Button. Arrow. And finally, bear. Have fun going around your house. What can you find that has the sound or the sound? Well, we have one more game, and that's with our letters and back to magnets. So I'm going to pull my other tray back on over here. Back, did you hear that? Back starts with B. And I'm going to swap out the number tray with this other cookie sheet. Excuse my back. I have a line here. I have a line because I have all of the alphabet letters in magnets also. And we're going to sort them. Some we're going to see which ones have straight lines and which ones have curvy lines. Straight lines like the 1, and if they have curves on them like the 0, or if this was a letter similar to the O. So let's look. Speaking of O, here's my letter O. O has curvy lines. It's going to go on this side. W. The W has straight lines. Straight, like stiff lines. How about the H? H, that has straight lines. The R Does it have a curve? Yes. Does it also have straight lines? It does, but we're looking, does anything have a curvy line? The R does have a curvy line. U definitely has a curve on the bottom. What's next? Y. Y, that's only straight lines. Z, straight lines again. Q. Q looks a lot like the O with the little stick on it. Q has a curvy line. Does P have a curvy line? It does, right here. P goes on the curvy line side. How about X? X is only straight lines. And capital E? E also has straight lines. How about K? Sorry about that, K. K has straight lines. D. D has a curvy line. Plus it's straight lines, so it goes on the curvy line side. N, only straight lines. V, straight lines again. The letter I, one straight line. How about J? J has a curvy line on the bottom, so it goes over here. C. C is just a curvy letter. And the B. B has curves on it, so it goes on this side. It's about even now, isn't it? And we have L. L is just straight lines. M. M is straight lines too. And we have T. T is just straight lines. G. G has a curve, so G is going to go on this side. Finally, F. F has just straight lines. Actually, I have two more. I have an A, straight lines, and S, curvy lines. Let's see how many of each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 with straight lines. And how many curvy line ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So more letters have straight lines only. Well, boys and girls, it's been fun learning with you, and we're going to leave by singing a fun little song. It's called 5 Little Monkeys. So let's go. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Okay, ready for 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Last one. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Well, I hope you had fun today, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye from Mrs. B.